Interested in making any small talk. See, some guys are doing like 70, 80, 90 miles an hour right through here. That blows my mind. Before say, oh, you'll get there soon. No, it won't. I'm not going to be that guy. I'm not that guy. I'm just here to improve my riding. And I can't think of a better place on public roads to improve your ability to negotiate turns, or curves on a bike, maybe even on a car, and learning how to read the road. Don't get the mustard. See, just like that. Don't do that. I know I could take these faster. I have done it. Did it last time I was here with my brother. The video I posted from that trip, we were super tired, and so what happened was, the reason we were so tired, and I said in the video, it's been a long day, fuel broke down. We had to fix it on the side of the road, and we were hot, tired. We thought we'd get one more run in, and the other part of it too is I borrowed my other brother's Hero, and the battery kept dying like super fast. So basically there was no footage being captured of that trip. Just two videos. A snippet of the Cherahalla Parkway or Skyway, and the one good video of the run I got in the on the Dragon. So but we had made several really good runs prior to the bike breaking down. Okay, so you're not going to let me pass him? Maybe he was trying. I don't want to wig him out. Like I'm better going this way. I think it's because it's uphill. I feel more comfortable going uphill. Maybe this is downhill. I don't know. I got to work on that quick shifter. I just tried to use it. Didn't work. And to be honest, I could probably hold the gear longer than I am, but it's pretty jerky whenever I do that. Like when I let off, there's a lot of compression braking with this bike, so I have to really practice that wrist control. Anyways, I feel a lot more comfortable going this way than I do the way we were just coming. I also need to work on just trusting the front brake. I'm a double brake guy. I use both front and rear, and that's just hard to break that habit. And for the most part, that's what you're going to use on the street. But not here. You need that, you need your feet kind of out of the way. Just for left one for shifting and settling in. See, I got a little bit of target fixation right there. That was a neon. Don't get target fixated on this road. That's going to be a bad day. A little bit of moisture in here. Why do people get triggered by the word moist? What is that? I don't understand it. My kids think it's a disgusting word. I'm like, why? Don't you like moist chocolate cake? Stop it. I gotta fix that primary chain tension. It's not bad, it's just throwing me off a little bit. The other thing that sucks about having contacts is places like this where you really don't want to blink, and you have to, because your eyes will dry out and then your contacts stick to your eyeballs, and that's not what I want to have happen here at all. I got psyched out by that turn. Get him, somebody. I think there might be another one. It might be the same guy, but there could be another one out here. So, I mean, I'm not going fast, so that's a good thing. And they tend to be somewhat lenient as long as you're not being a complete buffoon. They got plenty of that to deal with. If you crash, I have heard that you will get a ticket. I don't know if that's true. It doesn't seem fair to me that if you crash, you get a ticket. I mean, it's already a bad day. Let's just heap the burdens on top of somebody. But it's what I've heard. I don't know that it's true. It's hard to warn people. There's cop over there. I'm trying to get my body position right. Better have a good handle on trail braking on this road. Trust your tires too. That was the last video from the Dragon. My tires were shot. I had those Shinkos, and back in Texas, where everything's straight, no problem, they did just fine. Here, I was feeling quite a bit of they were precarious. Let's just say I didn't trust those tires. I wish I wasn't as rusty so I could take full advantage of all the stuff going on with the Buell. New tires, good tires. I've seen guys take these turns at like 55 miles an hour. That is just mind-boggling to me. And to do it on a public road is also just downright crazy. But hats off to him. Skill I don't have. Not sure I care to have, but it's pretty cool. The testosterone in me wants it. Right there, I don't know if you guys caught that, but there's enough slack to cause the bike to jerk and really throwing me off. And I'd hate for that to happen in the middle of a turn and I lose traction. So it's kind of becoming a safety thing. Happening over and over again. I can't really. The only way to manage it is to get into a lower gear, higher gear, so the engine kind of lugs a little bit and smooths that out. But then it's so twisty through here right now. I'd be constantly lugged out. So is that a word? Lugged out. You know, guys will go back and forth right here multiple times a day trying to get just the right picture. You too can be the street Rossi, I can't remember his name now. I was thinking of Scott Russell. Oh, back in the day in the 90s, the Kawasaki guy. Kind of messes up my exit on these turns. Like, I'm in the throttle just a little bit, but it's not catching because of the slack. So it's not great. Like I said, I think I need maybe a quarter more turn. And then I need to tweak my quick shifter. That working again. That would save my left hand, from doing work that it actually doesn't have to do unless I'm downshifting. sunny. These really shaded areas, hard to see. My eyes are real sensitive to light, so I have to pick my battle. I just did a slipper right there. Wasn't intentional. All right. There's my dragon run. Number 1 for today. Tuesday. No, Thursday. Wow, days are running together. I remember yesterday coming in the Mazda, and there was this that Toyota GR86, I think that's what it's called. And dude, he was flying. He came up behind me and was like, he went into a 4-wheel drift in one of the turns, man. I was like, holy cow, dude. You need to slow down, like for real. Start losing traction on this road, that's adios muchacho. Alright guys, go ahead and wrap this up now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit a like if you don't mind. Consider please becoming a Patreon. Every dollar counts, appreciate it. I have multiple tiers now. And until next time, peace out, keep it between the ditches.